What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new video. An update on Gala. Wanted to make a quick update on that, mainly regarding the technicals. Excuse me, I'm still a little bit tired. But we'll talk about the fundamentals as well, just to give you a full overview of what to expect from Gala. I do think I have a pretty clear view on what's going on and what is possible. Like, is it possible to get up to 5.2, 5.4, our next main resistance? What do we have to do to get there? That type of stuff. So we'll get into that. I know that a lot of you hold Gala. I know that a lot of you trade Gala as well. So I just wanted to make a full update on that, especially after we, yesterday, obviously the whole market was pretty bullish, but Gala itself, actually, most altcoins were still kind of holding back a little bit. But Gala actually rallied a lot, as you can see. So wanted to do a quick update on that. And just basically prepare you for everything that could happen. Apart from that, hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And if you want to receive daily trading signals, then check out the links in either the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. Alright, so the bullish momentum in the market yesterday, we talked about that in a Bitcoin video. I think it was a mix of circumstances. But for Gala, what that meant technically is that we were able to break above this main resistance level around 4.6 cents. There's actually a lot of resistance level. It basically goes all the way from 4.5 all the way up to 4.7. But the main one and the key level for right now, I think, is 4.6 for if we actually want to rally up higher. That's the level. Apart from that, you can clearly see bullish momentum starting. It all is very dependent on what Bitcoin does and what therefore the market does. I have to say that, and that will depend also on next week with the interest rate decision. So there's a lot of things still happening and that could break this uptrend. But for now, it's pretty strong. Broke above the 200 EMA again, broke above the downtrend, which we already did earlier as well, but now we really confirmed it by this breakout. So the next stop is 5.2, 5.4. Now, there that 4.6 level comes in, and why I think it's crucial, because that's the level we broke above. That's also the level we have respected. We're barely respecting 4.7. So what we need to do, I think, is I expect some bullish momentum again at the beginning of next week. I expect today to be a little bit quiet. Could be wrong about that, but all right. So if we can actually stay on top of, well, let's be precise then, 4.55 cents, so 0.455. If we can stay on top of that until tomorrow evening, so in the next, well, what is it, 36 hours, then I think we can also rally, or I think we will rally up to 5.2 and 5.4. That's my next resistance. There we'll see again. It just depends on the market, just depends on what kind of resistance we get there. But this is really the most bullish scenario for Gala, and honestly also the most likely scenario in my opinion, given what we know right now. I mean, a lot could change in a very short period of time. But for example, it's also okay if we drop down to 4.4, 4.5. There's major support there. So if we drop down there, what will happen is that we'll probably get back above 4.6 or 4.55 cents immediately after, and that we can just continue doing something like this, just with a little bit more drawdown. So I'm pretty bullish on Gala. I mean, it's risky. For example, I've been thinking about taking a trade from this level here around 4.5, 4.4. But it's risky because we are very reliant on what Bitcoin does, right? So if you, for example, take a look at Bitcoin right now, you can see that it's dropping. There's a lot of support as well. But if Bitcoin drops down all the way to 26,000, then who knows? Wow, I cannot find Gala. There it is. Who knows how far we will fall? Perhaps we will hold 4.3, but then that's quite a big fall, right? So a lot of things are possible. That's why it's still quite risky. And I would advise you to be careful. But yeah, it does look very strong and bullish right now. So that's my take on Gala for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.